Using a SpaceMouse in Shapr3D allows you to interact naturally with your designs. Thanks to the 6 degrees of freedom sensor, you can enjoy a fluid and intuitive 3D navigation. Manipulate your model like you would hold it in your hand and connect with projects like never before. Navigate with the SpaceMouse and free up your mouse cursor for other actions, allowing a two-handed workflow that will improve your efficiency. Quickly enable Horizon Lock to keep your horizon level, making it even easier to navigate around your 3D model. In addition, you can change navigation modes directly in Shapr3D. Here we are switching from object mode to camera mode to facilitate a better understanding of the model. With the SpaceMouse, your center of rotation is calculated automatically, allowing you to inspect and adjust details. The programmable function buttons let you customize your keys with the commands that you need so you can speed up your workflow. Easily examine your model from all angles, making it faster to detect errors and explore alternatives by using Quick View buttons. Speed up the design process by storing and retrieving your own views. Simply use the 3 custom view buttons on the SpaceMouse Enterprise to do so. Discover the SpaceMouse product line now.